How to clear delete eBay search history. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to clear delete eBay search history. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the eBay application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now to delete your search history, tap on your search bar and you will be able to see all the searches. There are two ways to delete your search history. The first one is you can simply swipe towards the left on your screen on the search option that you want to delete, and you will see the delete option. Tap on the delete option and the search will be deleted. This was about how you can delete your search history one by one on Shopify. And now if you want to delete all your search history at once, tap on the clear all option and further tap on the clear recent searches option. And with this, all the eBay search history will be cleared at once. So this is how you can clear delete eBay search history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.